Hello and welcome to the Daily Facts video. These are new videos which are going to be posted every day, giving you little fun facts and information on gardening items. So I hope you enjoy them and make sure that you come back every day to see each day's daily fact. They'll be posted on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with when they're posted, or also check back on my website as they will be posted daily on there. And my website is www.theyorkshiregardener.com. Today's daily fun fact is about pineapple, and if you see one of my latest videos recently, I show you how you can actually grow pineapple. So the word pineapple, where does it come from? It comes from some European explorers back in time, and the explorers thought that it actually looked like a pine cone. Which you can understand with the little side bits, that it does actually look like a pine cone, and they thought the flesh looked like an apple. So that is where the word pine cone